Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Kaur's classroom. Survival. Wild cats can survive in different parts of the world. Canada lynx live in northern forests. Large paws help them walk over deep snow to look for prey. The paws act like snowshoes so they don't sink into the snow. Lynx travel many miles every day to look for food. Their thick winter coats keep them warm. The fishing cat lives near swamps, streams, and rivers. It searches for its food in water. Webs on the cat's front feet help it swim after prey. Large claws help it hold slippery fish. Fishing cats can swim underwater. Their thick fur keeps them dry. Sand cats live in the desert. The sand is hot to step on, but sand cats have long, thick hairs on the bottom of their paws. The hairs protect their paws from heat as the cats travel across the sand. Sand cats have soft, thick fur. Their coat protects them from hot days and cold nights. Cheetahs can be found in open areas and grasslands. The fastest animal on land, cheetahs have bodies that are built to run. They have long legs and light bones that help them sprint toward their prey. Cheetahs slowly sneak up close to their prey. Then they sprint at top speed. Whether they are big or small, most cats prefer to live and hunt alone. The African lion is different. Between 3 and 40 lions may live together in a pride. The lions hunt together. Teamwork helps them survive. Your turn, boys and girls. Cats have adaptations or special body parts that help them survive in their environments. How do you adapt to your environment? Share with someone now. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.